Mike, Spurtin Habits here. Today's adventure actually lasts 2 weeks. 1999 Dodge 5.9 tranny replacement with a 97 tranny. Yeah, we had to change some sensors around, not a big deal. Go to fire it up, ran like poopy schmoo, sound like timing was off. We have changed, I don't know, the idle or the throttle position sensor, the idle control arm thingy deal back here. We made sure this was clean. We cleaned the throttle body off. Oh God, what else did we do? Plugs, cap, rotor, wires. Oh my God, we had to easy out 1, 2, and 3. Actually, I'm sorry, this is 3, 5, and no, this is 2, 4, and 6 on this side. Yeah, you know, not that I'm a mechanic. Still ran like poopy schmoo. We could not figure it out. Got down to when we put the tranny in, the crankshaft positioning sensor got smashed. This guy did it. So anyways, all the videos we looked at, there is one person, there it is, thank you. There is one person that had this video on there. I was searching torque converter stuff, and guys like pinched a wire. It ran like crap. I tell you what, we replaced this after, I don't know, $500 later, and about $2,000 in labor. And here we are. We have a running 1990 Dodge that's valued at $9,000 now.
She's a workhorse.
She's a workhorse. Woo! Thanks, Andy. Brought to you by Smiley. Devin's back there, too. He kind of worked on a little bit of stuff. And he went to school for being a mechanic.
He did a lot of things.
Getting the stink eye. He did great.
Oh, man.
He's hiding.
Let's go do a cookie.
There it is, gentlemen. We're going to go rip some shit up now.